Alright, so we didn't make it. Welcome back, YouTube family. This is the 2009 Gsxr 750. The last video was was supposed to show how it sounded at revs, but watching it back, it was just dog water. There's too much wind, couldn't really hear too good, so I wanted to do a standstill and let you see exactly how it sounds. Sounds really good. Now, this is a little bit of an exhaust hack. Because M4 does not offer the Street Slayer for the 08, 09, and 2010 600 and 750s. So this is a Street Slayer for a 07 600 750, which that is right now. And I'll show you how we did that. I'm gonna go quick because I think it's about to rain. So we cut off the catalytic converter, cut it right behind it, right here, and then we put that on there, and then this is the exhaust here. And I think a full GP system costs something like $959 plus shipping and tax from M4. I'll put up a little display of that. We're gonna go ahead and get you a cold start here. I'll let you see exactly how it sounds since that last video was all wind. All right, give me just a second. All right, so we're at 80 degrees. Alright, so we started at 80 degrees. Alright, so we didn't make it. But we got the bikes inside. So we're good. We just gotta so you see this. Oh, that's getting ruined, huh? Alright, we're gonna have to try to open this side door maybe. I gotta get that shut. Woo. My slide cable, my chakla. Shit. Alright, hang on. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna close this, try not to fall. Oh, my ramps. That sucks. I forgot those are there. Alright, so that was not a huge success. But I propped open the door so I could at least get some light. It's probably destroying the wood, but... Alright, so let's get a light turned on here. Still can't see. Well, that was the 2009 Gsxr 750. That was my Gsxr 750 hat. As far as exhaust, you can either pay $959 for a full GP exhaust or pay $386 to $400 or so, depending on how much you can get it from on eBay. Fits perfect. So yeah, hopefully this was a little better than the windy video displaying it. I know how to try to do it fast, but it's kind of what it is in Rochester. So hope you guys are having a good day. We'll catch you next time.